Hello, this is Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure, where we'll be learning about food and acupressure every Monday, Wednesday and Friday in Hindi and on every Sundays in English. Today we'll be talking about acupressure points for any cardiovascular disease or any heart related disease. May it be coronary heart disease, cardiac arrest, heart failure, strokes, coronary artery disease, pulmonary artery disease or any other heart related problem. This point will help you with all these things related to heart. And if you don't have any of these problems, you can also use this point as prevention from any heart related diseases. Let us now know what are the causes for heart related disease. High blood pressure is one of the main reasons for cardiovascular diseases. People who smoke more also have a greater risk to get cardiovascular diseases. High cholesterol levels leads to narrowing of our blood vessels, which may also lead to this problem. People having diabetes have a higher risk of CVD. Family history also plays a very crucial role in this. Like if any person of your family is having this problem, then there are chances that you may also have this problem. Cardiovascular diseases are also caused by stress. So now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe. And if you want me to make a video on any particular acupressure points, then you can comment below or you can also message me on my Instagram. And also try to share this video with others too, so that they can also get this information. So our acupressure point is over here, this circle portion, okay? So how will you locate this point? See, you can see this last line, this joint of our thumb, which joins our thumb to the rest of the palm. This line, from the center of this line, if you draw a straight line down, which is meeting to this, see, you can see this line, lifeline we call it as, yeah. From that, where they both meet, from there, draw a circle in the middle. A medium-sized circle. See, over here. This is our point. Let us know it again. See, you can see this line, this last joint of our thumb, which joins our thumb to rest of our palm. From its center, if you draw a straight line downwards, which meets our lifeline, from there, if you draw a circle, a medium-sized circle, then that is our point. So what we will do over here, we will take a backside of the pen and press it properly. If you have a pencil, then that is also fine. And just you have to press it properly over here, firmly. Give a good pressure and press. See, like this. See, in the whole area, like this. Press it properly for 4 to 5 minutes. See, properly you have to press it. After pressing it for 4 to 5 minutes, what we will do? We will do seed therapy over here. For that, we will take paper tape and fenugreek seeds. Paper tape you will get in any medical store. Now, I will share a small clip with you on how to make that seed tape. See, this is the tape we made. Now what we will do, we will just stick this tape on this point. See, over here, properly on the point. See. For making it more secure, we will apply one more tape so that it doesn't fall down. See, like this. Okay, we will make a cross sign over here. See, you need to do the same treatment on the other hand also. And in between, whenever you are free, just give a pressure for some times in between. See, press it properly, you will feel slight pain. You need to apply this tape for 8 to 10 hours. And once you remove this tape, you need to throw the seeds and tape. And on next day, take new paper tape with new seeds on it. Do not apply the same seeds again. Do this treatment regularly, you will definitely feel the results. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.